In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an account on Bitfinex. Creating a Bitfinex account only takes a few minutes, and once your account is ready, you'll be able to access the platform's trading features, wallet services, and other supported products. To get started, click the Sign Up button on the Bitfinex homepage. On the registration page, enter your username, email address, and password. Make sure your password meets the platform's security requirements, then select your country of residence if prompted. Next, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree with them, check the required confirmation boxes and continue with the registration process. After submitting your information, you will need to answer a CAPTCHA verification to proceed. Once done, Bitfinex will send a verification email to the email address you provided. Open your inbox, locate the email from Bitfinex, and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once your email has been verified, return to Bitfinex and sign in using the username and password you created during registration. After logging in for the first time, you'll be guided through a few additional security steps. Bitfinex strongly recommends enabling two-factor authentication to provide an extra layer of protection for your account. If you plan to trade or deposit funds, you can continue with the appropriate setup steps directly from your account. And that's how to create an account on Bitfinex.